By no means are we done. We are just continuing the vlog. This is what we have, and we're going to take it all down, 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 and down. So we're going to move it out, and I'm debating, should I still leave up some of the red? We don't know yet, but we're going to take everything down. And like I say, this is by no means done. I still got to use the totes to pack up some more stuff from the kitchen, also TT room. Now I did tell you guys, I did style my bedroom for Christmas in July. I never edited. I may include a little clip. I have to commence taking down Christmas. And typically I start on this side here, because I usually just have the fridge, this here, and the island. Then I work my way to here and here. And we're going to continue that same process. This is the point we are at in the kitchen. I'm going to pull all of the red off, the chair covers there, all of the red off. For to put up the King of Christmas, I do have to put those in the box, and the box is right here. I have these left, and I was going to decorate and clean as I went, but I just felt like, well, I knew it would be easier if I took everything down. This left to do. We're going to take that down, and I'm going to do that here in a second as well, so I can literally have all of the Christmas out of the way. And once we get all of that down, you guys, I don't know if you can see the time over there, it's like 9:40, but I'm gonna get everything down, packed up. I'm gonna even change out, take down the curtains as well, because I know they're not staying. If I am, I may leave the gray in here for this first fall living room styling. Don't hold me to it just yet. I may, but I do know we're taking this out, and we're actually adding in these. These are some curtains from Prince Deco. I'm going to include the link, and this is actually a sponsored item as well. I'm going to include the link for those. But we are almost at the finish point of putting away all of, well, taking down all of the Christmas stuff. So at this point, I'm gonna put the lids on, and my building is in the back, but it's still 9 o'clock and it's doing a lot of raining. I'm going to break everything down, put all of the totes together, and I think just for a few days, or probably about a week, because I got a mid transition, I'm going to leave all of the totes in my craft room, my laundry room and my craft room. So the girl is tired. We're gonna go ahead and put up all of the King of Christmas stuff. I will include a link for those are actually 3-foot trees, the garland and the wreath. Right now, King of Christmas do have that 4-piece set on sale for like $159. I'm telling you guys, you would love it. It would be a great investment, and make sure you do check them out. Now with that said, let's finish packing this stuff up.